Japan.
How you guys doing today? Yes, I'm wearing the same thing earlier like I did in my previous video. Reason being is because I'm going ahead and I'm making this video right now because it's gonna happen. I'm not trying to sound all cocky and showboating, and I'm just being real. It's gonna happen. We're gonna hit 1,000 subscribers. So I thought, what video can I make for you guys to show my appreciation, to show how thankful I am for the channel, how thankful I am for you guys coming to the channel, supporting everything that's been going on, supporting the movement, giving me comments, feedback, all that stuff. So what I came up with was I'm going to have a video today, which is what y'all are going to be watching, and it's pretty much going to be a little collage of all the videos I've made and put on YouTube so far with this channel. I started this channel on January 31st, I want to say, of this year, 2018. I started in a brand new year, brand new month, and I started this channel. I had 0 subscribers. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and it's April. I don't know how other YouTubers feel about that, but for me, I get joy, I get happiness, I feel excited about that. So I'm making this video for you guys. This is for the fans, okay? It's gonna be a chop and cuts of all things I've done on my truck. I got some cool video reviews I'm going to be doing on products that I've put on Old Girl. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of content coming this week and next week, along with the introduction and the giveaway of our t-shirts for the channel, for everything Diesel, along with stickers that I'm going to be getting made for the channel and whatnot, okay? So once again, thank you guys so much for joining the channel, joining the movement. I really appreciate it, and I respect you guys for that, and it means a lot to me. So with that being said, enjoy the content, stay tuned, be safe. So with that being said, today's mod is a quick mod. I'm doing it because it needs to get done. It's going to be a CCV delete. So real quick for this job, you don't need much tools. Any man can do this. You don't need basic tools, and you can get the job done. I got needle noses, channel locks, flathead, and I got my electric ratchet. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this stuff off, and then I'll show you guys, you know, how I'm putting it back on. So first thing I'm gonna do, take off this bad boy right here. Sometimes you might have to lube these up. I did not. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So with this, it was being, let me get y'all in position. Should have did that before. She was being kind of stubborn. I almost got her off. Just want to show you guys how I did it. So what I did was I got my grinding wheel. I cut down the middle, and I cut the 4 corners. Okay, all 4 corners I cut, and then I cut down the middle. How you want it to look? Come over here where it's like you want it to look like this, nice and clean. I went ahead and rinsed it off, blew it out with some air, and this is it. This is why you want to delete that filter. Don't waste money in buying a replacement filter. That is it. That's how you do a CCV delete. Okay, so I'm back now. So now we're going to go ahead and we are going to start removing all this mess, okay? First thing we're going to start with is going to be the dipstick. Going to get that off. These bolts right here. These are going to be, let's see, the horn bolts are 10 mil. Check this. Check all that out. Tell me what y'all think. Look at all that soot. Now, like I went ahead. That one is there. It's the only reason why that's there is just to keep it in place. I use this to keep it lined up so I can line up the other one. So I'm gonna take this one out now. Put that over here with the other shit. Oh wait, oh damn. I gotta find out. Oh, I see. Okay. You're gonna go right down. I'll put that one in later. Okay, so check it out, y'all. Go ahead. Dang, this thing is so annoying. Alright, go ahead and get all your stuff in and lined up. You can run it down, torque it to spec. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Get all your hardware in, nice and snug, and then go ahead and start throwing your injecting lines on after that, okay? And that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So, point it like up in there. So we got the intake installed, and everything came out good. The manifold, it came out really nice, along with the grid here delete. What is going on today, YouTube? I'm back again. I know you're probably looking and wondering, why am I sitting in the chair behind my truck with a toothpick in my straw to my mouth? So the reason for this video is because I'm going to explain and talk about things you should know before buying a diesel. More specific, is going to be a 6.7 Cummins. Alright, so we came back now. So this is the old filter still in there. This is the new filter. And new filter. Old filter. Now, obviously when your filter goes into fuel, it's gonna soak and get wet and turn darker. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.
That money triple work, took her out to eat, fucked her on the river, served up, and she threw her that liquor, took her out to eat, fucked her on the river.
Okay guys, so after the time lapse, I got everything cleaned up. AirDog in the video, their video, they don't show this, but Greg A shows this in his video, because I've been bouncing back and forth, because I like his videos, and he cut out the bottom of this, and I think that's a smart idea, since the only purpose of this is just to return fuel and read your level. So I got the grinder here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. Okay guys, coming back at you with an update. So I went ahead, tanks in, strapped up. I connected the first line. This is gonna be the return line from the AirDog itself. So the AirDog return, put the QD on. I cut the measure. I recommend connecting the line on the tank side for the return first, and then installing the tank, because it's going to make it way easier to cut it, measure, and all that good stuff. Alright guys, I just wanted to I got the wheel bearing out after a dilemma of a bunch of stuff. Finally, I just want to give you guys a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so this is disassembling it. I'll show you guys how to knock this one out. Remember, your clips, I keep saying clamps. Your clips are already out. That way you're able to do this, okay? And all you want to do is whack it. Clearance now. And we're good. Heck yeah. That, my people, is how you put a U joint back together on on your axle. Sweet. So it's mounted in, but we ran into our first problem. These are 10mm bolts, and the stock ones are not. These definitely don't fit in here. So this is our first problem. I'm gonna see if I have any 10 mils lying around in the garage. I'm pretty confident that I do, but if not, then that's going to suck a lot. So I'll get back with y'all, okay? It is, man. There's that Mishimoto intercooler. It's installed. I didn't put the shroud back on right here because I don't really care, but I am going to put it on, but I didn't put it on right now because I'm going to eventually take it off for that clamp. Ooh, yeah. I need to go ahead and take this off. That's that serial number. You guys are going to watch the unwrapping. Done. Actually, super glue that's about to come off. Alright, you guys, so I have some extremely bad news. My camera died. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think it came out horrible. I'm not a big fan of it. I would not waste my money on it. So, yeah. Man, fuck that shit. No, I'm just kidding. I love this shit. Oh my goodness. It came out amazing. Highly recommend it. Do 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 it. Okay. Don't pay. Oh man, 1 second. Let's see if I can hit that up real quick. And that little weird little white spot. Okay, it's good. Alright guys, so I went ahead, threw the shirt on. I'm repping the merch. A little baggy on me, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna rep it till the day I die. No, I'm just kidding. So, this is it. Steering brace. How's everybody doing today? So yeah, today is the next day. Like I said, Sunday. Going to be installing steering brace, glow shift gauges. All right, you guys, get ready for this, okay? Ooh, whoa. Uh-oh, and we got him. That's it. That's it, boys. Okay. All right, you guys. So, purpose of this video, just like I said, we're gonna talk about the Air Dog. All right. So I went ahead and, for everybody who's been following the channel for a while, you guys know what I did. I went ahead and installed a Air Dog 2 4G, and there she goes. Okay. Install was successful. It was good. It's a good job. It's a good fuel pump. Okay. I highly recommend it. All right, you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this clip. It was, or not even a clip, the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because it was a good video. That wasn't even every video I've made on the channel. There's more videos. You guys got to go through the list and watch it, but I didn't want to make it crazy long and put you guys to sleep. Okay, so that's just some video. Oh, okay, I'll finish this. So that was those are just some videos that I've, you know, since we started this channel, started the journey, and we've made it this far. And I can't wait to see where the future is going to take us. I've met some awesome people. You guys are some interesting people. It's nice to be able to be like, I met someone online and I didn't get creeped out, or they're a rapist or a killer or some craziness. You know, it's crazy. It lets me know that out there in the world, there's people that think like me, and I feel good about that. You know, I'm not trying to say I'm the best person in the world or, you know, Time Magazine Man of the Year, but for what this video and this channel serves for, as for diesel trucks, you guys are awesome. And like I said, none of this would have not been possible without you, because I appreciate you. All right, all of you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I also, what I was gonna say earlier was, I hope you guys enjoyed the Burnout video, because I don't do those often. That's probably gonna be the only one I do for a long time, or at least until the transmission is built. I don't do burnouts at all, especially with these trainings. So I hope you guys like that burnout. My wife recorded it. Let me know what you guys feel about the video. Okay, once again, like always, thank you for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Remember, the likes help the channel out. And hey, let's not stop right here. Let's keep going. Let's keep getting up there. Let's get to 2,000, 3,000 subscribers. Let's just keep going and get this thing. Let's see how far we can get this going. All right. I'm really excited for the future. I cannot wait for the summer. A lot of good things coming in store for the channel, for the build, future builds, and all sorts of stuff, man. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you guys have a good day.